Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sabon Advent calendar. 24 days of shower, bath, and hand care products. Yes, this is a good one. We are not going in numerical order except for day 24. These are deluxe size and full size. So, let's go. Yes, the suspense is killing me. First up, we have a spoon. Yes, and why do we have a spoon? You will see the reason to that answer quickly when I show you the next items. I just happen to like the heart shape on this and the packaging. It comes with a little hanger there so you can hang it up in your bath area. This is not designed for food. This is designed for their body scrubs. Oh, wow. This is the Green Rose Body Scrub. And the only thing I don't like about their scrubs is that they are in a glass container. I don't like the idea of having glass in the tub or the shower. So I take these and I put them into a plastic Tupperware type container. So then I don't have to worry about accidentally slipping and dropping glass whilst in the tub or shower. This is in Green Rose, and I've tried it before. I really enjoy it. One thing to remember is that the oil will separate. Yes, the oil does separate from the dead sea salt that they use in here, and that's perfectly normal, and that's why you have that spoon, so you can mix things up again and then take a nice scoop to use in your bath or your shower. So we have Green Rose, and we have Patchouli Lavender Lemon, and we have Delicate Jasmine. And I like 2 out of the 3. She doesn't like the lavender. Lavender and I just don't get along. But other than that, I am excited to get some more of these scrubs because I really enjoy them. I might even try it. And I don't like to take a bath. We have 2 shower oils in Delicate Jasmine and in Rose. And actually that's Rose Tea. And I've tried both of these. They are lightly scented, nothing overpowering. So these are definite winners in my book. This is a white tea body milk. And it is got almond oil in it. So since I can't use things with nut products, this will go into the Find a Future home box. So stay tuned for future giveaways. Subscribe below if you like what you're seeing so far. We do fun things over here. Cleanse and polish. This is a product I've used before. It is a little heavy on the mint side. Then again, maybe I used too much of it at once. But it's a nice light scrub and it is energizing. This is the 2-in-1 Face Polisher Cleanse and Polish Energizing Mint. This is one of her favorites. This is a butter hand cream enriched with patchouli and lavender oils. So I'm going to be passing this one along, but this is their full-size item. And I'm trying to see if there's a size on this that I can possibly read because they put it in itty bitty little print. This says that it is 30 milliliters. So that is a full-size item. This is a deluxe sample size. It is 10 milliliters. This is the hand cream in Rose Tea, which is one of my favorites. And we also have in hand creams, we have White Tea, and we have Delicate Jasmine. What have you seen so far that you like in the first half? Let me know down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know. And now, moving right along with this video. Next up, we have two of the silky body milks. Yes, one is citrus blossom, the other is lavender. I would really like to try the citrus blossom. However, both of these have almond oil in them, and since I'm allergic to nuts, I don't know if I'm gonna patch test it since it is a deluxe sample size and see if I can use the citrus blossom or just pass that one along. But they do have some nice body milk or body lotion products. We have shower oils, and one of these is lavender and the other one is ginger, actually ginger orange. And I've taken a little sniff of that one and it smells wonderful. So I look forwards to having a nice scrub-a-dub-dub with some ginger orange shower oil. That was a tongue twister. There are two facial scrubs or facial cleansers, and these look intriguing. Yes, they do. One is a floral mask gelée with rose of Jericho and rose petals of rose water. And the other one is a Dead Sea 3-in-1 mask scrub so you can purify, refine, and glow. I am excited to try these. There is more hand lotion and body cream. Yes, and we have a Delicate Jasmine body lotion, which is enriched with 7 natural oils, and a Green Rose hand cream. And I've used the Green Rose hand cream before, and I really do enjoy it. Both of these scents are light and delicate, not something that makes you feel like you're being overpowered. So this is a very nice collection of items. And tried this one from last year's calendar. Yes, I did. This is the Low Shampoo in Green Rose. It's a non-foaming shampoo. And this one, I'm glad they put it in here again. I want to give it another try. Last year, I couldn't quite get it balanced out correctly. So I would either use too much and my hair would be too dry, or I would use not enough and then my hair would feel like it's not clean. So I'm excited that they put this in again this year. I want to see if I can get the amount correct or the proportion correct to clean my hair and have it still either not be dry or not be unclean, if that makes any sense. I'm glad to see this one again. I get a second chance at it. We have 2 more shampoos. One is Jasmine and one is Green Rose. Yes, more shampoo. You're going to be in the shower and you're never going to come out. You might be right. The one thing I am noticing as we're going through this calendar is we now have 3 shampoos, but no conditioner. Aww. Aww. I wish they would have put in a conditioner somewhere along the line. They've left out one of the hand creams maybe and put in a conditioner. And we did save day 24 for last. Yes, I wanted to see if, in true Advent calendar fashion, if they built up to something big. Like a conditioner, maybe? A big full-size conditioner, maybe? Well, I did not get my conditioner wish. Oh, that's too bad. But we did get a body lotion enriched with 7 natural oils in green rose. And this is one of my favorite scented products from Sabon. So I am happy that they did end with a full-size product for day 24, and it is in a scent that I like. Oh, that is good. Yes, it is. So what did you see in the second half of the calendar that you liked? Leave a comment down below. I'm nosy. I want to know. Tell me all the details. And what do you think about the fact that there was no conditioner? And now taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Yes, I always like to take a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This was from Sabon. This was a 24-day advent calendar. Now, when I purchased it, you couldn't purchase it separate from the after advent calendar. So keep your eyes peeled, because that's going to come up later on. But breaking the prices down, what we came up with is for the 24 days, we spent $105, and it gave us a value of $262. So I think that's a pretty good return on the investment. Yes, there are some products that I can't use, and that's going to be the way it is with any mystery box that you buy. You're not going to get to use everything. We did do the math with the help of a calculator and came up with 43. Oh boy, I think some of these cents are getting to her head. You might be right. We came up with $4.38 per day, which, considering the variety, I'd say that's pretty good. Yes, some of them are small. The deluxe samples are kind of small, yet it was a good variety of items. So I am pleased with this calendar. Did you get this calendar? Let us know down below. Consider subscribing. We'd love to have you join the channel and watch our wild adventures that we do over here. Again, everyone, happy holidays. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you again in another video. Have a nice day. Are you admiring yourself again? Well, the camera was still on. I like to take a look.